Have you ever wondered how this is made? Or maybe this is made? Don't worry, today we're going to talk about how to create a t-shirt from scratch. Alright, so you have a great idea that you want to put on a t-shirt, but you don't know how to start. Don't worry, we're going to talk about all the products that you need, all the machines that you'll need, and also the application process, okay? So first, let's go ahead and get started with what is needed to create a t-shirt. Let's first start with our materials. In this case, we're working with a cotton t-shirt, so we're going to be applying our PS film line, or better known as Easyweed. Our PS film line, or Easyweed, comes in a variety of colors and tones. As you guys can see here, we have over 50 colors available. This product comes available in a big roll, a mini roll, or even A4 and A3 sheets. Alright, so now we've selected the material, we have our colors selected. Now we need to know how to cut the material. That process is done by our vinyl cutter. In this case, we'll be working with Silhouette Cameo 4. It's a great startup cutter and also comes with an amazing software to allow you to not only create the designs, but to cut it. Today, we're going to be showing a design that comes with the program, so it makes it really easy to get started. Alright, so we've gone to the last step. Now we need to know how to apply it, and that is done with heat. So we'll be using a home iron to do this process. Alright, so now we have the material, we have the cutter, and we have the iron. So all we need to do now is create our design, send it to cut, remove the excess material, and apply it. So let's go onto my computer screen and we're going to show you the designing and also sending it to the cutter process. Okay, so now we're in Silhouette Studio. Again, this is a free program that comes with the vinyl cutter and basically allows us to design and also cut our future designs. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just go to our library tab on the top right hand corner, and you'll notice that the software comes with a lot of free designs that we can choose from to get started. So in this case, we're going to use our Love Script design. So double click on it and you will see the new design on your workspace area. Now, before we send the design to cut, let's go ahead and left click on it. I'm going to go to Object, Mirror, and we're going to flip this horizontally. All right, so you'll notice, you'll see why we have to mirror it once we go to the cutting process. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and send this over to our cutter. So let's go to our Send tab and send this over. All right, so now that you've seen the process of getting your design ready to cut, we're going to go ahead and load our machine. So we have our A4 sheet here. This is the rose gold, really beautiful color of our PS Film or Easyweed line. So what we're going to do is notice that the color, the shiny side, is going to go down. Okay, so we're cutting from the back side, and that's the reason why we went ahead and mirrored the image in the software. Okay, so we're ready to cut there. Let's go ahead and send cut on our computer, and let's cut the design out. Perfect, so our cut is complete. Now we must remove that excess material, which is going to expose our design and leave us with our transfer. Okay, so for that, we're going to use our Siser weeding tool, which is going to help us weed away that excess. So we're just going to go ahead and grab the corner here and start peeling away the excess. And you can see, if cut correctly, you'll see that design show through now, and only the excess will be removed. Now we can apply this transfer. All right, so now we're ready to apply our transfer. So we have our cotton t-shirt here. Now the PS Film also works on polyester and cotton blends. Okay, so I have my iron set to linen and cotton, between linen and cotton. And first thing we must do is we're going to go ahead and just preheat the garment and also remove any wrinkles or moisture to make it a nice clean transfer. Okay, Perfect. So now let's go ahead and line up our design. What I like to do, I like to use the collar here. We're gonna move it down some. Okay. All right, so now that we have the parchment paper covering the transfer, we'll go ahead and apply the first part for 10 seconds. And the design is a little bit larger than the iron, so we're gonna go ahead and do this in sections. Remember to use some pressure while doing this process. All right, so now we'll remove that transfer tape, the carrier. There you go. And now we'll finish the process by applying an additional 15 seconds to each section. All right, so now that we've reached the end, what I like to do is just kind of slide the iron throughout the design for a few seconds, again with firm pressure. And let's check this out. There you go, there you have it. So there's our new love design. So there you guys have it. How quick and easy was that? So if you're looking to do some home crafting or start your own home business, that's how easy it is. With just some vinyl, a vinyl cutter, and even a home iron, you can get started. Now, for more videos, please make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We're going to be creating a lot more of these videos in the near future. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Ciao.